Here is how you get started with Google's spreadsheets called Google Sheets. If you're in Google, you can click the Apps menu and click Drive, or you can just type it in, drive.google.com, and then if you're already signed in, then you'll just go straight to Google Drive. If you're not signed in, you'll have to take a minute to sign in. You do need a Google account or a Gmail account to get this started. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can always sign up for one. Now we just have to wait for a minute. Okay, so here's Google Drive. This is where you can make any Google document like a Word document and so forth. But what we want to do is a spreadsheet. So just click over here where it says New. And my computer's being slow. Let's just wait for a minute here. Okay, so then New, and here it is. Go down to Google Sheets and just click it. And then here we will have a new Google Sheet. Here it is. It's exactly like any old spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet software like that. You have the rows and columns. Each column has a letter. Each row has a number. You have file, edits, and so on. Very similar to other spreadsheets. Here, let's click this. You can type in your own numbers. You can, I'll show you here, type in some numbers just to see how it works. Just being a little bit slow. It's not usually this slow. All right. Try typing something in. There we go. I typed something in there. All right. You can also you can load your data. You can copy and paste data into here, and everything is automatically saved for you once you've typed it in. That's it.